So you want to start an online business, but you have no clue where to start, what to do. It seems like there's so many parts to it. Well, there actually are. But in this short video, I'm going to go through each of those parts so that you can get started to start your own online business. Hey, I'm J.R. Fisher, and you want to start a business online, but it's pretty confusing. So I'm going to break it all down in this video so you know exactly what you need to do to start an online business. Number one, what are you going to sell? Is it going to be a physical product? Is it going to be a digital product? Is it going to be a service? You've got to categorize that first. That's the first step. Number two, are you going to sell your products or are you going to sell other people's products? Even if you sell physical products, you can sell other people's physical products. Even if you sell digital products, you can sell other people's digital products. You don't have to have your own product to start off right away. Next thing is number three, the site. Are you going to have a website? Are you going to use a page builder, something like Leadpages or ClickFunnels? Or are you going to use an auction type platform like eBay or Amazon? You got to decide where you're going to sell your product. Number four, how are you going to promote your site or products? If you have your own website, you've got to drive traffic to it. Now, this could be social posts, this could be YouTube videos, this could be ads, but you've got to get traffic going to your particular site. If you're using something like eBay or Amazon, they already have traffic. You don't have to worry about that so much, but you do have to get traffic to wherever you're selling your products. Remember this, if you're trying to drive traffic to your site, the best way to do that is to solve people's problems. Post on Facebook, go to people's groups, solve their problems, help them out. When they see that you're doing that, that will drive traffic back to your site. Of course, the easiest way is to just buy traffic, but you may not have the money to do that in the very beginning. You can be involved in several different niches. I know we are. We have Webcash Academy. You can look at that. That's a membership type site where you learn to sell stuff online. You can go to Digital Cash Academy, where I show you how to actually sell products online. You can also go to Survival K Food, where we sell physical products, which are survival foods. So that's an overview of where you should get started to start a business online. If you need more help, go to my site, jrfisher.com. We'll help you out. We'll give you some free training that'll get you going. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that button down there, and next to it there's a bell. If you click that bell, you'll not only be subscribed, but I'll send you an email when we post a new video so that you don't miss a single minute of training. Also, don't forget, comment below. I want to hear what kind of business you're thinking about starting. Like and share this video with your friends.